The sun is up. Stop that sound. I must get ready. The water is cold. I am brushing fast. I need breakfast. This tastes good. I am thirsty. I'm late. I'm so incredibly late. Where are my shoes? Shoes. The bus is coming. Oh, hello, Mr. Driver. Driver. We are moving. Wow, did you see that cat? It's sitting right there on the fence. Wow, look at that cat. Hey, look at the cat sitting on the fence right there. It is not here. I left it at home. I must go back. Guess I'm the last one. It's so quiet now. Come on, faster. We don't want to miss it. This is gonna be amazing. Almost there. Come on, open up. I have to go. Please, let me out of here. Open the door. Open the door. There is my bag. Okay, backpack secured. I am officially ready for the best day ever. Let's do this. This is heavy. S. I have my pens. Hurry up! Stop at the sign. Check left, check right. Now I can go. Be careful. Oh! The leaves are yellow. A bike is fast. The sun is hot. Pretty colors. It smells like bread. I cannot stop. Time to play. Wait a minute. There's nobody here. The bell is ringing! I am inside. Room number 10.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Mike. So glad you're here.
All right, I am here and ready to present my report on volcanoes. Okay, I'm finally here. Sorry I'm late, but guess what we learned in history yesterday? It was amazing. I have a pencil. Draw a line. M I K E. Use the glue. Cut the paper. What? Whoa! Oh, the world is big. Spin the earth. Spin the earth. I like stories. Color the picture. It is sharp. Time for lunch. An apple a day. Wads. Drink your water. Clean it up. Clean it up. Wash your hands. Dry your hands. And they lived happily ever after in the magical forest. Wow, I wish I could live there too. Look what I got. A gold star for my spelling test. I got the highest score in the class. Time to go home. A good day. Hey.